Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Thank you all so much. Please help me to share. Help me to share so that we can continue. It's just a brief one. At least those that have been doubting, the doubting Thomas, that when we are talking, when we are speaking, when we are saying return the artifact, the Benin artifact to the rightful owner. So we are thinking even they were coming to my word to come and write nonsense, telling me it's for economical purpose. What economical purpose are we talking about? What economical purpose when a governor is collecting federal allocation, he is collecting internal revenue, he is collecting security money. So what else are we talking about? Which other economical purpose are we now talking about? Those things, there was nothing like Nigeria when those artifacts were taken. When it was being looted, there was nothing like that. Please help me to share, because I'm going to share my own. Then we can start. We all can start and give our own opinion too. We all can start and give our own opinion. Pikis, I greet you, my sister. Please help me to share, because I will be bringing it to Pidgin English so that everybody can understand. I want every one of us to really understand and have idea of what is really going on, because a lot of people don't know what is going on. They don't even know where they stand. Some people don't even know the reason our father came out today to come and speak to us, to come and speak to the entire Benin kingdom as an empire. Not just only Benin people. This in Esa people, name it all, we are all in it. Everyone, oral, name it all. So long you have Edo blood in you, you should know that your origin is from Benin Kingdom. Oga Pepper Super great. Having an Edo blood in you, knowing fully well that your state of origin is Benin Kingdom, is Benin Empire. Go to Ghana, is Benin Empire. Brother Kingsley, I greet. Osayi, I greet. Good evening. I greet you all. Please, if I cannot mention your name later on, don't be offended. I just want to flow as the Spirit is leading. Lucky, I greet. As the Spirit is leading, we should just, please help me to share, because this thing, it is, they said there is no event, no history. Prince Lucky Baba, I greet. If there is no event, there will be no history. Every baby born in Edo State today knows the history of Benin Empire, knows what happened, knows who caused it, knows who connived with those to take those things away that the same Benin people are fighting for today. And the same person now is trying to divert those things to a private organization, and that private organization is involved in it, my people. Please, I will be sharing my own. Help me to share, my people, because I'm not seeing people sharing. Help me to share. Help me to share. This thing, it involves everybody. It involves your forefather. Your forefather was being killed for this artifact. Everybody, a lot of people, they sacrifice their life for this artifact. Not the one where one person, may I go Pidgin, make everybody for understand. Because me, I'm not Russian. This thing involves everybody. You be oral, you be Joe, you be Rivaso, you be, because those days, all this creation of all these states, it not there before. The only thing they know, even the Portugal, even the Netherlands, even name it all, those people where don't fair come Nigeria. The four-story building was built by the Dutch people, the Netherlands people. They built the four-story building at Tugoton. They built factory. Now factory, that place be before. The four-story building in a dull state today was built at Tugoton by the Dutch people. Those people think today, they themselves, they have their own kingdom. Their people, they respect them. The prime minister, they respect them. They respect their royal father. Not to come talk of our own of ancient kingdom. Ancient kingdom. When Benin Empire they exist, a United Kingdom may exist as at that time. United Kingdom they were not existing. Go and check the history. If you go check the history, you go see say even these British people where they talk, many of them migrated from Germany. The royal family for Great Britain. Now from Germany, they migrate. Go and read about their history. You will see that they have connection with the Germans. Many of us just did this abroad, but we know they read. We know they follow line to know what really did the country where we did. We know they go read their history. Abemona help me share. Me too, I want to share my own quick. May we start. You get what I want to read for now. Sister Stella, good evening, long time. Hope all is well. Good evening, happy weekend. See, my people, somebody come your house, can't thief something from your house. The person can't thief something from your own house. And now the person won't come return the something. Then the person will say open door for them, make them thief your thing. He can't come out again. Can't they tell you, say, no, I go carry and go give your neighbor, make your neighbor hold on for you. I beg my people, who want grief for that kind of thing? Who want support that kind of thing? Waiting then thief from you. Somebody come your house and can't thief your television. And now your neighbor open door for them, make them thief. Or maybe your caretaker, where you put, open door. Back to sender, I greet. Now your caretaker open door for them, make them thief those things from you. Because now caretaker, they close to landlord pass. Your own caretaker can't open door for them, make them thief your thing. Then when he can't open door for them now, later now the person where he thief and the arm robber where he thief and come see say, okay, make I just return this thing, can't give the owner. Then your caretaker now come they say, go give her to the neighbor, may neighbor help you hold on. I beg. Edo people, Nigeria people, the whole world, the whole Africa, una go gree? Una go gree? Wetin they no go do to you, no do unto another person. No do unto another person, sake of say, they give you the power. How can you, as a state governor, you are not respecting the people's will, and you want the people to come and vote for you tomorrow? Mr. Governor Godwin Obaseki, Your Excellency, sir, retrace your step. The history of that family is so painful for a lot of Benin people here till today. Many of us know what your forefather did. It's like history is about to repeat itself again, sir. Even if you have genuine intention. But this one now, that you are opening a legacy restoration trust. Edo people don't want to have any business to do with a MOA or legacy restoration trust. They don't want to have anything to do with it, sir. The only thing we know now is Benin Royal Museum. As our Oba have said it today, Oba Atokbe, he said Benin Royal Museum is even what Oba Erediawa said before he passed on. See, those artifacts, a lot of people just say, now Oba Avorame get all of them. No. Not be Oba Avorame, personal own, he own day. But the forefathers before Oba Avorame, all those people waiting they gather, their things, their precious things, their ukure, everything where they gather. Now, all those things, all these things, where these people take. Then, how can you now as a person now, you want to now dictate? You as a person now want to now dictate. Because they go, see my people, before I talk, the anger will just day my body this evening, I don't go these people platform. A lot of Togberians platform. No one of them green share one statement, one video concerning the palace today issue. Waiting our Oba talk today. Go to their platform if you think I'm lying. No one of them share it. The only person that shared it, God bless you, stay less. And Eddie Murphy shared a little video of Epa Kotisegosa Ugbo. Baba Dave, I greet. Go to their platform. Go to their platform. No one of them is sharing anything. Many of them have sold their soul. They have sold their soul. All because of politics. All because of I want office. But they forgot that their forefather was being slaughtered for all these things. Waiting your forefather don't die put. Waiting your great-great-grandmother die put. You have the opportunity now to keep it. How can a private company be holding my thing for me? How is it done? Una don't see how that thing they happen. Somebody I go see continue the user and make example. Your caretaker they can't thief your television. Your caretaker can't they tell you now when they want now you open door, make they can't thief your television. Then when the arm robber want come return, I can't give you. Your own caretaker can't they tell you say just carry and go give your neighbor, make your neighbor hold on. How that thing go sound for your ear? If now you not go carry a class, take cut that your caretaker head. May we they talk true. What thing they not go do to you, not do it to another person. Second say because you dey power. If supposing money no involved for all these things, whom governor he get where they read just now say he don't fair collect 10 million euro. 10 million euro they don't fair give him. 10 million euro to share for all Edo State youth. And they see they ask again now. Is there any Edo State sons and daughters that have benefited from that 10 million euro where they give them, making share give una? Make una they come at the right. Say yes, then give me 500 naira. Then give me 1,000 naira. Make una come at come tell us from that 10 million euro where German government don't give her. Make it give Edo State youth. Una way they say for economical purpose. The first fruit now where German government throw give her, make it give una. It not give una. Baba Steve, I greet. Roslyn, I greet. Una good evening. The first food where German government give una, make him give una. Say make them take please una. Say make una beg. 10 million euro, more na convert to naira. How many of Edo children can remain for house? Make una comot those way they oversee. But the one way they for house. Waiting they kill their forefather for. Waiting they kill their great-grandmother for. Their sisters for. Benin was painted with blood. Not be today when they call her Edo. Now Benin, the whole world know and put. Not be today whether they call her Edo or even Delta or even a Rivers or all those things. Now Benin they know and put. Benin Empire. The whole Benin Empire was being painted with red blood. Baba Nagi say I agree, sir. Go their word, they're not share them. They're not share. The whole of them, the ones where they Benin, they're not green share. Common one news, you know they their war. Now then you go know say some people can sell their soul to the demon just for peanuts. They can sell their soul to the devil for just their peanuts. This thing, this artifact where we all they talk about today, it was taken from the royal palace. Then our royal father, Oba Avorame, was the king. But before Oba Avorame also had his own father that was ruling as a king before him. The father also had some of those artifacts that he kept also. The great-grandfather of Oba Avorame too also had artifacts that he too kept also. These are generational things. Now one person go come tell you now say, now one company for Lagos, now he want come the manager for you. Who are you people talking to? Not be even person where be say you not even go school now. Our Oba is well educated. Even make una go look old picture of Oba Akenzua. Una go see am when he did this, when he even go UK. Waiting una think say Oba Akenzua go UK for those days. Now for the same artifact made them return am. Now where Papa stop pikin go continue. Oba Akenzua fight. Oba Eweka fight too. Oba Erediawa fought also for the same artifacts. Now our Oba Ewa is also fighting. Okay, for the same artifact. May they return her. And today, to God be the glory. Edo State have spoken. They want that thing returned to the palace. It's not, they will not keep it good. Now, una first keep her for them 1,000 years ago. Now, una first keep the artifact for them 1,000 years ago before the white people come collect these things. Waiting you no mode, me no mode. Then you they tell me say how you want to keep them. Now I be waiting one of Togberians way they UK they talk. Say they not go fit manage the thing where they not go fit keep am where. Me wanna go look their video. Now small one I look I come out there. Say they not go fit keep am where they not go fit maintain am. Some of the artifacts now 1,000 years old. Now make you tell me now say you for all those Oba even during the time of Oba Esige. So now one can tell us now say they not sabi keep the artifacts. Now those artifacts many reach like that. Only Germany get 1,000 plus. Only Germany get 1,000 plus from the artifacts. So una can't say Benin people not sabi keep their things. They can't keep them. Then Germany can't get 1,100 from inside all those things where they carry, where they thief. We never talk of the one where they UK. The organ pata of all thief. The one where they America too. We never talk about all those ones. So una one can tell us now where una way they say is supposing na Benin day all those artifacts therefore don't spoil them. Who tell you? Who tell you? These are generational process that have been going on for a long time. And it was kept. It was preserved. If they not keep them, if the royal fathers not keep them away, how come the British people feel go loot them? Can't share them among themselves. Make una determine now. Yes, it there France too. It there France, it there Russia. Some of it there Russia. The 2014 when two Oyibo from UK can return two arbitrary of the artifact, there was no government that came out to say, let me collect those artifacts. Because they know it doesn't belong to them. It does not belong to the state government. Why is the state government fighting for it? These things we are taking from somebody's home. Oba Vorame Palace. Then, so we are taking from his bedroom. Uhuro Herrera. Wahiado Aguele Mane Imiyoa. Oh, come. A lot of our Edo people, they don't sell their soul. They don't sell their soul for peanuts. Just because of food, political appointment, fear not let them talk through again. Fear not let them advise the governor. Say, governor, what thing you they do? You not good. Follow the line of the palace. They don't want to talk. They don't want to talk. They don't want to talk because then fee say, if they talk, they not go get appointment. You see them, stomach infrastructural people, only for their belly, only their stomach is what they know. Make una listen, oh, you get one when I print. Why our governor, you see the Legacy Restoration Trust where they open. That Legacy Restoration Trust office where they go open for Ikoyi. Now, since 2020, they opened that office. That is a year ago. Meaning they don't plan to capture the things by themselves. Now make them go open the office for Lagos. That is the private company, oh. And thank God today now say, our Oba don't come and say, he no want that company. He no want that company. He no get anything to do with that company. And that company will not represent the palace. And that company will not get hold of the artifact. Likewise, the Emowa Museum, we also not get hold of the artifact. Because they are building Benin Royal Museum. We are known all over the world as Benin. Benin. And Benin Royal Museum, it shall be. Edo have spoken. Make una see wetin I read. I copy. I just screenshot small come up for inside. Okay, Mona, listen, oh. Now I just now long notes. But wetin interest me for inside where I pick come out. Now I want read for una. Make una dey listen to where all these things they go. It say Oba LY, however, resisting a private trust being promoted and led by Philip Iheanacho, said to be Obaseki business partner in Afri Invest. If you do, who get Afri Invest? Who get Afri Invest? Who they operate Afri Invest for Lagos? The people where want run the Legacy Trust Fund, all of them are Obaseki business partner for your own company. So meaning now your own company now still be the Legacy Trust Fund where they go open for Lagos. Now then. Meaning now he want try now with your own Free Invest, want to run the company. He can't go give him another name. You are not talking to a fool here. Make her read them again. He say our Oba is resisting. However, now for this day news, I go post her later. Make una read. Who go feel read? Resisting the private trust. That is the Legacy Restoration Trust. Baba Oba, you want to agree. Being promoted and led by Philip Iheanacho, said to be Obaseki business partner in Afri Invest with Victor Eyihameno. Victor Eyihameno, Enotie Ogbebo, Eric Idiayi, and Babatunde Adebiyi as trustee with renowned Ghana architect David Ajayi as architectural consultant. Una dey hear my people. Edo people, una dey hear the people where he come bring come. Where he want they in charge of the artifact, where he want they control them. These are Obaseki business partner for your own company. Meaning, now your own company, Afri Invest, one runner underground. Is that artifact not be kidnapped again? Is that artifact not be kidnapped? Good evening. Edo people, una they hear the people where want run the the people where they run the legal Legacy Restoration Trust, where they go open for Ikoyi, Lagos. These people are Obaseki business partner for Obaseki company for Lagos, where then they call Afri Invest. Una here. Meaning, I felt talking for my last video. I said later on, they fit set that museum off. Una not go fit do them anything. After they don't succeed, collect them. How can you now bring your own private business people forward? Make them come they run the whole kingdom property. Una don't see this thing before. Una don't see this thing before. He can go see invite somebody from Ghana, make it come the runner. Make that one come designer where they want build them, the consultant and everything. So meaning, in they tell us now, say, even among the Togberians where he support and vote for her, they not get brain to take design museum. They not get brain as consultants. So in confess say, he pass the whole of Edo State. He no fit pick one Edo man come out. Una the year now make I read that for una. The people where he open the Legacy Restoration Trust where they Ikoyi, they are Obaseki business partner for his own Afri Invest. Edo people, make una share this video. It's like the governor want to kidnap the property for himself. This is Invasion 2021, oh. Invasion 2021 by a Benima. This one is not Invasion 1897 again. Waiting if our father do, in Congo carry another people now they follow body. I don't know why Philip they always they waiting in they do. Me don't know why Philip they always they waiting in they do. This one too now Philip here nacho. Philip Yenacho is a business partner to our governor. Serena, I greet my sister. Good evening. Savage Beck, I greet. Edo people make una open una eye, make una open una ear. How somebody go bring in your people, he can go bring in your people from the same office where in they run for Lagos. In with those people, they can go open another office. Then they can say now they want they manage the museum, the artifact. Our Abba don't speak out today. Our Abba don't speak out today. He say he no want the legacy restoration. He no know them. And he no want involved with them. He no want involved with them. Our Abba has spoken today. Go to my wall and go and listen. I beg you. Osayi, go and listen. Edo people don't talk. Enigye don't talk. Even a Sogba of Benin Kingdom talk today say, no be your own grandfather house therefore take him. Now the palace therefore take him. So therefore, may they return the thing back to the palace. Even the federal government is in support say, may they return the thing back to the palace. Now it be the fight where federal government they fight. May they return the thing back to the palace. Una see Governor Godwin Obaseki. In with some of his business partner go open Legacy Restoration Trust for Ikoyi, where they wanted to manage the artifacts. Then they come build a museum, they wait for her. So that in your business, in your company, go still there in charge. Edo people. Edo people. Edo people. Oh, come in. May we go back to history. This calamity way before Benin Empire. Who was the cause? Who Benin people they used to they sing? So are you not telling me now that the family of Ologboshere, the family of Asoro, will just lose their forefather just like that? For what? For a mowa? For Legacy Restoration Trust being run by people we don't even know? Una de year now. He went and invited somebody called Philip Yenacho, said to be Obaseki business partner in Afri Invest. Who get Afri Invest Edo people? Who get Afri Invest Edo people? Make we dey talk true now. With Victor Eyihemeno, Enoti Ogbebo, Erikidiai, and Babatunde Adebiyi as a trustee with Ghana Architect. So Edo people not get brain, take design. Our governor to see Edo people finish. For him to go far away, go bring Ghana person, make it come design. can't do the architect work for the museum. So if he say, Edo people not get brain. Now because una sell una self to run so cheap. You people sold yourself to him so cheap because of 200,000 naira. Wamami 200,000 naira denya. He can't go they bring somebody from Ghana. Make it can't draw museum where they call a MOA. Museum where they call a MOA. Make it can't they run out for una. Edo people, this is not sentiment. It has nothing to do with politics, but this is the truth. I will post it. Make una for read and screenshot. Diaspora, it's where Baba, who we have a tour. Who are tour, how can you not go and invite your own business partner? I go read them all over again. Make una the year. Oba Airwire is, however, resisting the private trust. That is Legacy Restoration Trust, being promoted and led by Philip Iheanacho, said to be Obaseki business partner in Afri Invest. Meaning, now Afri Invest won't take over. That Legacy Restoration Trust where they just open. They just open up for just mouth. The real owner where want kidnap those things is the Afri Invest. The real person where want kidnap those things is the Afri Invest. And meanwhile, all the business partner now you bring come out. May they come they tell us while they want run the museum. May they come they tell the chiefs, the Enigie, our royal father, Bini people, Edo people, how their forefather we are being slaughtered. Then somebody go open office for your head for Lagos. They control your brain. The money they go Lagos. Who know why is here? Mr. Governor, not be only you want to do business, eh? Some of us, we feel not go school, but my wife can do beri mawala. Our royal father have spoken. The entire Benin Kingdom have spoken. Those things we are taking from the palace, and the palace it shall go. The palace still they exist. You know if you tell me say because Germany now they not they practice monarch system again. But other countries like Belgium, like Holland, like United Kingdom, like Denmark, like Sweden, all those countries still they practice all those things till today. You not go fit on talk now say the thing where be say it be their forefather something. Maybe they can't find out for Africa. Then if they want to return and can't give maybe Great Britain, then now the Queen Palace there for Tifam, then they'll come carry on. Can't carry and give the governor, make it can't take. Governor can't they decide how Queen Elizabeth want to run the forefather thing. How is it done? How is it done? Where the palace is still existing. Where the palace is still existing. Let's say maybe the palace not they exist. Then go still go find the royal blood, the royal family. Say make them come see their forefather things. Not to talk of the palace is still existing. Our Oba is still alive, is still there. And you now want to decide, you want to connect the whole system with your Afri Invest group of company. Which one be legacy? Now this one be the legacy where me they tell you may you do, Mr. Governor. No, sir. The legacy that you have to give Edo people, go on tie road. Go see Orire Primary School for Akoko Edo. Deputy Governor Shaibu now, if he go look the gutter where they dig, but he not go the primary school because that primary school consigned them. The primary school involved them. He get where for the reader today now say he don't see collect another 4.5 million euro from the German government. I don't know whether not true, but I don't see that. Again, we are reading now. Say those ones don't see give her 4.5. All this money, what is it doing with it? Is it improving the lives of Edo people with the money? The 10 million euro, did any Edo benefit from it? No. Was there any market that was being built from it? No. You not build market for Edo women. You say you want to help them hold the artifact. Wait, be say they are four father fight for. This artifact now 124 years ago, then Tifa. They come Tifa for our Oba Palace. They steal her from our Oba Palace. Then it was Oba Ovorame. But before Oba Ovorame, there were a lot of Obas. Even the Queen Idia mask. They never born Oba Ovorame. I think Oba Ovorame great-grandmother. So una come they tell us now say when Oba Esige was preserving the Queen Idia mask, he not get special place where he take preserve the mask. Who be mumu here? Who una the turtle? Who una want deal with? If una lock people for bottle, not be everybody una lock for bottle. If una they use some people here till they drink blood for cough, not be everybody here though. Artifact where people say some of the artifacts they are 500, 600 years old. So you can't tell us now say all those our Oba where you preserve the artifacts, they not get where they preserve and put. What are you people trying to say? If that way for read them, or somebody say 4.5 million euro again, you don't see collect another one. When it take go there now. If supposing this thing not involve money, you not go ever see her there. But because it involve money, now make they run up and down. Upon all the money that he is collecting money from the federal allocation. He is collecting money from the internal revenue. He is collecting money from security. But there is nothing to show for Edo State. This has nothing to do with politics. But it has a lot to do with saying the truth. They not take those things. They not take those things for Obaseki family house. That is Aho Bedoyo. They did not took those things from his house. Rather, he was the one who opened the door for them to bring them out so that the British can take them away. Property where they not going to take from your house. They not taken from your grandpapa house. Then now you can the third person say, okay, this property, somebody go hold on for you. Because you not sabi hold on. Now you they hold these things. Now you hold Queen Idia mask for Oba Esige. Before he can reach Oba Ovorameton. Now you hold on a legacy trust fund. Now you hold Queen Idia's mask for Oba Esige. If Benin people not sabi preserve all those things, our royal father doesn't know how to keep those things well. I'm not sure say the British people go come loot like that. Sote Germany get 1,130 pieces of those things. Russians they have. South Americans they have too. United States of America they have too. Russian, name it all, France, different country for Europe, all of them get from the Benin artifacts. What did they call it? Benin artifact. They didn't call it a Mowa. Why must you not give us a name that we are not known for? Why are you not creating a name that the people are not known for? We are not known as a Mowa. If they go hard West Africa joiner, I asked you the last time, Mr. Governor. Can you tell me the Cameroonian that came to fight, that came to help the Benin Empire? Give me the Niger, give me the Mali, give me the Ghana, give me all of them. Name one of the country that came to help the Benin Empire when all these things were being looted. No one. So what it concern West Africa for Israel, this one still would. When they were taking it, they gave it is Benin. It was even the Portuguese that changed it to Benin City because of spellings. That's why some people for this abroad, if you pronounce name give Oyibo, you not put your eye down where say, see the name where you pronounce give them. Then go write another thing for you. That's why a lot of people saw name today. He corrupt, they're not fit changer. Some people they carry name where not even be their own for their documents they go. And you come now. You want to tell us say na legacy restoration. And meanwhile na your business partner. Now your business partner una go create another company since last year. Since last year, when they never even talk about this artifact, una don't create her down. It's like somebody was just playing draft. E gambo na kinanya, owo odeyo, giaka ki office na yotone. Even so they get a mowa for America. A mowa was open since now from Dr. Guname platform I foresee here. When he track him, they open a mowa since 2018 for America. For New Jersey, who get a mowa since 2018? Only God know. Why is Governor Godwin Obaseki now coming to Benin to come and give us a mowa? A mowa company de America. He can't come now. That was 2018, Owedo people. A mowa company de New Jersey. Since 2018. Now coincidence be that. Then he can't come now. For 2021, he can't they say a mowa, he want create museum, he give him a mowa. Who be fool here? Who be mumu? Then the Legacy Restoration Trust where he go open for Ikoyi. All those names where I just call so Philippe Nacho, now a business partner for Afri Invest. And those people who get Afri Invest for Lagos. Make una the right time. If una know who get Afri Invest. Because your people say na your own bank for Lagos. Who get Afri Invest for Lagos? If na you, will you allow it? You go agree? He can go bring his own business partner for Lagos. Then can go create another company called Legacy Restoration Trust. Now then one can they supersede the economical value. Anybody now where can't look the artifact. Now then go they in charge of the money where they come. Where people they take they look the artifact. If the cost say you not can favor them, now them too go see sell the artifact away. Who be mumu here? So better we keep it in our palace. Our royal father not go ever sell them because he own four father. They not sell them. Oba Esige not sell the four father things. Oba Avora may not sell the four father artifact. So therefore, our Oba Erediawa or talk bay, he will not sell his four father things. Those are uhure. Uhure ni kauno. Aya ajere. Igbinana soro gbina. You cannot tell me now that the family of Asoro the Great will not be happy that some group of people in Lagos, your business partner in Afri Invest, are the one to come and be running the property, those things that their forefather blood was being painted red in Benin Kingdom for it. How is that done? Even if na Obaseki family then do this thing too. When he be say, he no die, they alive. Asoro the Great die. Ologbo Shere die. Oba Kawaye die. A lot of Edo people then lose their life. Then lose their life. Because those days it was Benin Empire or your empire. There was nothing like Nigeria. There was nothing like West Africa. Nothing like that. It was all empire. And a dog on the Benin Empire con they conquer, they go. No, you see, because he don't know, say, my dear sister, he don't know, say, there are some of them are stomach infrastructural youth. He don't catch up their minds. They've sold their soul for peanuts. That is why they cannot talk. That is what they are. Because they have collected. And once you collect, you sow your soul for a peanut. You cannot talk. When you talk, they crack you down. They match you up. And they sentence you to prison. So many of them cannot talk. It's not that they don't know the truth. They know the truth. But they don't want to talk. Because they are scared like chicken. They are scared like chicken. Because they have collected. See, my Edo people. The moment let Edo State be the first, Don't sell your vote. Don't sell your soul, because if you sell it, you see all those ones where they go do. No, sis, VOA, no. Our Abba came out today now to let the whole world know. And Edo people, he has the Enigye, he has the Okaibo, the Ohen, and even Edo youth, everybody, the whole of Edo people said they want the artifact to be returned back to the palace where it was stolen for. Even the federal government, they are even fighting now to see that those things are being returned back to Nigeria and be taken to the palace. But no, Governor Godwin Obaseki no want like that. Do you know the people running the Legacy Restoration Trust? They are his business partner from his own company. His own Afri Invest. His own business. How do you look at those people? Westlink agreed. How do you look at those people? You go select some people from your own company, your business partner. Una go gather. Una go create company. Then una go come say, when this artifact come, now this company go the manager. Meanwhile, company where they call a MOWA, he done the America since 2018. Then you call company, you can say you open museum, you give her a MOWA. Who be mumu ye? There is something, I will send it to you, my dear sister. May you read them. I just screenshot some of it out. Some of your business partner for your own company, your own Afri Invest. Some of them are his own business partner. Look, make I read the name for those of una where they come. May una know where are they go. Oba Airwire is now we are screenshot inside now half, but the thing long way. But now this place just pick my attention. Now I say, make I let Edo people know the reason why our royal father, our kingdom, our Enigye, our youth, our Okaibo, our Okaigele, our name them all. They rejected that Legacy Restoration Trust. Listen. However, Oba Ewa is, however, resisting the private trust. Being now people write them, not be our Oba talking, but now the newscaster now they write them, waiting they themselves don't go dig come out on their own. Being promoted and led by Philip Iheanacho, said to be Obaseki business partner in Afri Invest with Victor Eyikameno, Enotie Ogbebo, Eric Idiaye, and Babatunde Adebiyi as trustee with renowned Ghana architect David Adeyeye. Una de see am. Oba don't come out today. Go look my wall. Video day everywhere. Oba don't come out today. Come address the public. He don't come out. He don't read. He say you don't know the Legacy Restoration Trust. And he say you don't know what that they call a MOWA. That waiting in with Governor Godwin Obaseki discussed before was Benin Royal Museum. He come surprise. If they go build a MOWA. If they go bring Legacy Restoration Front Trust come. You see how the whole thing take complicated? Somebody, the owner of something, they tell you, say, see waiting the papa talk down. Even our royal father talking today, say, now the name where your papa or by Eredia will bring come out, say, that if those things finally come, see the name where they go, they call them. Governor Obaseki did not want to respect our ancestor, Oba Erediawa, of blessed memory. The video there my wall, my people. Make una go look on the full video there from Arise News. Make una go look, make una go listen to when our father they talk today, because he has to call emergency meeting yesterday. So everybody gather for palace today. A lot of people were at the palace today. No quite long, maybe about 5-6 hours ago, now they finish for palace. When our Obate, they address the kingdom today. In with the governor, don't first talk this thing long ago. Say na Benin Royal Museum, then go build. If this thing don't finally come, he even involve and put. But he don't know, say, Governor Obaseki don't get his own agenda. With his own business partner, then go the open office for Lagos. No, in there Germany. In there Germany. He go Germany yesterday now. A lot don't go on, oh. Governor Obaseki was in Germany yesterday, oh. He was in Germany yesterday with Lai Mohammed, our crown prince, a lot of people. Then they're Germany. I believe it's the reason that our father came out today to address the whole Edo people, both home and abroad. So it was live. Maybe ITV will bring their own out later. AIT was there. Arise News was there. A lot of people, even many people for Facebook, then bring their video out. Even Paul Samede was there too. So I share many videos for my wall. Because I really wanted people to know what is going on. Edo people reject Emowa. Edo people reject Legacy Restoration Trust. We don't want it. It not concern government, concern traditional things. All those things are traditional things. You are not the one that is going to be cooking pounded yam. Where we are manea. Uwe here ya le manea, uwe ya gbokokone, uwe ado ya se kan never. If you go their war, go see the ones where they Benin, the one where they Europe here. They no agree carry the video for today for palace. None of them agree carry because they don't sell their soul for peanuts. Ohama ginyagimu. Because here I'm here where he obona weje. Uma support a governor. Aye mani kwemu abo emo hame. No ma unje baba. Ni say so here for peanuts. People like that can never lead. People that will see the truth and they will be burning it. They can never lead. They are not leaders of tomorrow. They are stomach infrastructure. They are soul sellers. Those are greedy people. Greedy youths who sell their soul for peanuts. Waiting them waste a lot of Edo people blood put. Then one person with your own group of company. Then they will come say they want on the runner. For waiting now. For waiting. Till today, the class, a lot of things, bow and arrow. Where my forefather take fight, my grandfather still have his own. He show us, before my grandfather died, he show us, he says, see, the things where his grandfather take fight during the time of British invasion. So what are we now saying? That those people that died, my great-grandfather, my forefather fought for the land also. Then you come and tell me, say, now some people, group of people, some of your friends from your company, now they want on the runner, waiting my forefather, blood there for the country. I beg, Every Edo man supposed to reject, a normal Edo man will reject the idea of Governor Godwin Obaseki. But many will not reject it because they've sold their soul. Forgotten that your own forefather were being killed. Your great-great-grandmother were being slaughtered. Your aunties, great-great-aunties, great-great-uncles that you didn't know died, perished for all these things. Just to protect the land. You want to come tell me now, say, Asoro the great family go come the year say, waiting their papa fight for, waiting their forefather fight for. Ologboshere family, Oba Kabaye family go come the happy now. say na Legacy Restoration Trust. Now he go they take over. The one bad head way come. If you ever come to my war again, I'm going to write your name. If you ever come to my war and write nonsense, I will insult your entire family. You don't know. Because my forefather fought for the land. The nonsense where you come to my work on the right. May God punish you there. Useless evil soul. You see, my dear sister Rita, is different, you know. It's different. Education and the people now this time around, many of them, they are now different. They are different. You know, they see some of the mumu when they come social media, they call themselves, say they be Biafra. For where Benin Empire day, for the whole history of the whole world, Benin Empire is existing. Then you, they carry yourself, they go back. Some people brain, eh? No, see, there my work. Go look the video. If you watch the video, you will understand. You will understand. Empire go reach Ghana. Some they come out, they give them, say they be Biafra. I pity you now. I'm not a Biafra. I'm a full bona fide Benin woman. Full bona fide. With the royal blood in me. Oh, come on. Oh, wow, go down here. Oh, wow, here. When your empire go reach Ghana, then you, they go sit down for one place. They join, say you be this. I pity for some of you now. I pity for some of you now. Those are the people who sell their soul for peanuts. They are ready to sell their kingdom too. But they don't, because they don't know the value of their kingdom. Edo de Japan, if you don't know. Edo de Japan. Edo, it de Japan. Place de Japan where they call Edo too. If you people don't know. Ah, now wow. Saba gome ukiyeke. Somebody will come and come tell you, say, him be your mentor. In the fight for you. Then you can go join her. Whereby we are leading warriors. Far back Ghana. Ghana recognize you. Ghana people recognize that they move some of them from the Ga people. I've read about the Ga history. Go GA. Neither they just go Google them. GA for Ghana. Google them, make you go read. Because I know say a lot of people know they like to read. They know they like to read. Go look the history of the the Ga people. GA, just Google them for Ghana. Then go tell you where they for come out. Now Benin warriors where come out. March go Ghana. Benin Republic, they just they call it Benin Republic. They not call it Benin Republic. It was formerly known as Dahomey. They still come. They come Benin. Come beg our papa. Say they want to change their name from Dahomey to Benin Republic. Go and Google their history and see how they became bearing that name of Benin. There is university called University du Benin for Togo. Because some of the Togo people know where they came from. You as a warrior, conquering places, you can't bring yourself, come like chicken. They say you be this. You belong to this group. No, I don't belong to any group. I belong to the group of Benin Empire. Now nickname, my brother. Now nickname. Now nickname. All of us know. Now nickname. Now nickname. There was nothing chieftaincy title attached to that name. You know they. Now nickname. Now nickname, there was nothing chieftaincy title attached to the name. Now nickname, but it can't be said they can't bear am. Some people they use their father nickname as their surname because they want to belong. Go look the whole social media. Go look their platform. Those way don't say their soul. Ohamagi amwe the today happiness for their war. Fear not let them put her. Because they want appointment. They sold their soul for chicken peanuts. Peanuts. Now those people you now say they won't give one office tomorrow. It not go happen. It not go happen. Because they belong to political arena. We belong to, we that can still say the truth. I'm not there any party. I'm not be APC, I'm not be PDP. No. I am just somebody that want the difference for Edo land. I want different for Edo land. A lot of Edo people don't use and make money for this abroad. But go reach the Benin. If you come, make back money while away. If you just enter, you'll just tire. There is no improvement in it. No improvement. And this governor now can't even take the land back to 15 years back. Adam Oshomole came. He tried to do his own efforts. And now he called Epa Oshomole, this problem we are having today, now he caused him. I just have to be honest. Because they told him about the history. He didn't listen. How can you discuss something with the owner? The owner tell you, say, see how I want my thing. You say, okay, no problem. Then you can't go pass it back. Is that not betrayal? That is betrayal. Now the betraying blood we see they talk today. The betrayal that happened. Betrayal betrayed the kingdom. 1897. 2001 again. 2021. Betrayal, they betrayed the kingdom again. How can a owner of something, the owner of the property, is telling you that this is what my father wants. This is what we all stand for. This is what the kingdom is known for. But you now, you pass it back. You go connive. You go Colombian. Go open a mowa. A mowa has no meaning in Benin language. It has nothing to do with the Benin people. A mowa, we don't know what is a mowa. We don't know the meaning of a mowa. He caused it to my dear sister because he was warned about this certain family, this name. See, Obaseki family, I know Etuna. I know many. But you see, this Governor Godwin Obaseki, he can't even put more bitterness for a lot of Edo people mind that if many of una want come out with that name for political office tomorrow, it go there difficult for any Benin person or any Edo man to support una. Because command already there. He not go look for your own legacy, make it do down. He not go government reservation area. He's supposed to just, I don't know first they tell her. Make it tie all GROA. Make it put street light. I think he don't the tax Edo people now. If you get house for Benin now, he get certain amount where you go they pay to the governor. Una way talk berian, talk ba ogbane. He get the tax where you go they pay. But meanwhile, the person where you they pay tax to, he don't know whether you get gutter for your road. He don't know whether you get road. He don't know whether you get light. He don't know anything concerning you. He don't know how you take the live. If your property burn, he don't go come help you out. Six or seven market born for Benin. Till today, the governor never fit build one. Only one a whole kingdom property do your obo. Which one be like? Osayi, no understand though. Person wey no fit build one common market. Even the Kiosa women where he promised 100 million. Till today, those people never see 100 million. But he collect 10 million euro from the German government. If the money not even pay me, say he collect them. Supposing as he just collect the money now from the German government, he go use and take build the market where he's poor, where he born. Then all the primary schools where they go show, they go so for everywhere for Edo. He begin go they run, go they do them. He go for good, say, okay, now how this one say use the money do? He renovate the school, he open all these schools, College of Education, agricultural this, he do all those things with that money. He not there like that. Make una ask him, where the 10 million euro where German government give him, where he go? Now, you don't dey share paper, they go. Me, they tell you now. Not be lie, oh. They don't dey share paper, they go now. I they tell you now. They don't dey share paper, they go for people where want pay tax. No, they don't know. They don't know, say they want come pay tax, oh. They don't know. If you get 3 house for Benin now, you wait there abroad. Ready? Once they don't make the calculation for your house for different location, they will come send and come give you, make you come pay. But meanwhile, that your street where you want pay road, no day, gutter no day, nothing day. You not concern the government, concern you. But the only thing where concern governor, Obaseki concern you, now for you to come pay tax for her, for the land property where you build your house put. You see, huh? You are bringing system. The system where you they bring, they come. You are even making the poor people to become more poorer. So, person where he inherit papa mud house now. Mud house or who inherit or go from his papa, go come pay you now 50,000 naira or 60,000 naira. Wow. No, the truth, Osayi, you never know. Go platform, it there everywhere. It don't they people don't they cry. It they tax them now, make they come pay. It they tax them, make they come pay now. If you get house for Benin now, you have to pay tax to governor. The problem now, tenants go suffer now. And if it be said that tenant never see 1 day square me, it finish. So make una tell me how thief no go take the land. How kidnapper no go take the land. How kidnapper no go the land. Make una come tell me. Maybe person wey be they pay 4,000 naira for 1 room before. But because of Governor Godwin Obaseki tax, here, tax there, tax for pure water. The landlord, he has no choice than to increase the house rent. 1 room now fit be 7,000 naira. Huh? 1 room fit be 7,000 naira. Who even build the home for Isa Potopoto? If he can't tell you, you can't pay 6,000. But depend on the area. Those who can't get the GROA side, you know, consider say the landlord and everything go finish them. So how people want to progress like that? It's not helping the country, but it's not helping the state. It's sinking the state down. Poor people go become poorer, more and more. More and more. Maybe those way don't see get the dream, say they go become landlord. Their dream of becoming landlord now, he don't dash am. He don't squeeze her now. He don't finish her. He don't perish her. Go see the cost of building material. During the time where cement they cost, now only Edo State cement they dear. Lagos now 2,600. Even people from Ondo State, they were even telling Benin people to come and buy cement in Ondo. Is that not a shameful thing? Is that not a shameful thing? But the real raw material, Stakate, Newman agreed. The raw material for Okmila, now Benin, now for Edo State, they get them. But now their cement cost pass. But the governor, he no one split anything for the poor people. A governor no ma ono go temu. Rather, you want to sink them back to the poverty level. Which progress there at those states? Which primary school Governor Obaseki renovate, he rebuild, he retouch, he put glass, he do as Oshomole do. He no day. He no day. A lot of adult people, they didn't have sense when they were singing their Togba. They were singing Togba out of hatred. How can somebody rule for good 4 years? He not commission one project. He not commission one road. But Delta State Governor Okowa invite him. Make he come commission your project. He run go there, go hold scissors or ribbon for hand. Begin the cut him. But nobody don't come Edo land. Can't commission anything. But our governor, they say he not like to spend money. He not like to do this. The Alagoda Summit, is that one not spending money? Inviting a lot of people to come and sit in one hall for just no reason. Nothing to sit there for. Somebody go come invite dignitaries, name them all for all over Nigeria, make them come sit down for one hall. You have nothing to produce there for inside that house. Say, now this one be the something when I just do now. Make una come commissioner. What is the meaning of Alagodao? What is the meaning? What is the usefulness of Alagodao to Edo people? Yeki trillion agreed. Obota. Make una tell me, Edo people, what was the usefulness? What was the progress? What was the prosperity behind that Alagodao summit? Where it be say, even vice president, they come. Different people, they come all over the world. Then they come cook, they give them. People from Lagos become caterer for Edo land. Which purpose he use and commission one property? He use and commission one school when he paint. Make una tell me wetin the Alagodao mean for Edo people. Alagodao mean progress. Since Edo State Governor they do Alagodao summit, we school he don't carry all these people go say see the school when I just built to standard level. As Oshomole do. You know they. So what was the usefulness of that Alagodao summit? It's another way to just eat money. You invite people for gathering. At the end of the day, maybe now your company, now you go host the drink. Now your company go get the people where go print the paper come. Now your company go get the chairs. When I see another way to eat money, all this, the Alagodao is to just share money, eat. A governor might commission anything. But the whole Alagodao summit. What is the meaning of that Alagodao summit? So take the musician go there, go play. Edo people, the artifacts where we they talk so. Our Edo State Governor, he with some of his business partner. Now then gather go those way just they come. Our Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki, he with some of his business partner for Afri Invest. Now then go open Legacy Restoration Trust. Where he be say, now then one can they control the artifacts. Now then one can they hold the money. Now they will come be the answer. Now they will come they calculate them. Now they will come they do this. Meaning you as an Edo person and the office de Lagos. You will be say your forefather fight, then waste your forefather blood for that land. You not go get pure water inside. But meanwhile, our Edo State Governor with some of his friends for Lagos, then go they gather your money, they use and they do their own. And that one I want. For me, as our father have said today, Benin Royal Museum, I stand. Edo people have spoken. that the property should be returned to the palace where it was taken from. You cannot come to my house and steal my thing. And then at the end of the day, you will now be giving it to my neighbor. It's not done. It's not done. If na legal battle for this, say, maybe make them go court, make them go this thing. Edo State governor will not win it because it was not taken from a Mowa. Edo people don't know a Mowa museum. The property was taken from the palace. And the palace is still existing till today. What is so difficult here to understand? What is difficult for here to understand? I don't like my Edo people. I go still read that for una way just they come. Now the governor friend make una listen. Oba LY, I screenshot the place and I go see poster for my wall. Make una read that for where I read them. I screenshot waiting because the paragraph is too long. But when I come they read and they go. Now where my eye just catch up, my brain can calculate, go there, say, okay. Now I know why. Be say, Oba LY is, however, resisting private trust. That is the Legacy Restoration Trust, where governor and a group of people go open for Lagos. Being promoted and led by Philip Iheanacho, is said to be Obaseki business partner in Afri Invest. Edo people, now our governor get Afri Invest. Now your own business partner, your friend, now he want on the run una Bini artifact, una Bini museum. If they don't bring and come, now then go come there in charge of it. If somebody can't use 1 hour to enter the museum, now our governor with his friend, now they will come go they monitor the money, how much they make, how much they not make. I beg make una ask our governor. The Ekiosa market women that they pay eternal revenue. Make una ask our governor. How much he don't collect from Ekiosa market? How much eternal revenue he don't collect from Oba market, Olia market, Santana market, Uwelu spare pass? How much eternal revenue those market people then they pay given? Till today, you know if you build one market, give those people. On your hand, those museum, Genoa. Till today, Ekiosa market women that they pay ticket. But they not get shade. Inside sun, inside rain, and they shade. But people go see come say me they will cut ticket for them, then go pay. And the money they go Edo State account. Make una ask our governor, waiting in they use that money do. All these 6 markets where he born. So he no fit gather those money, say, okay, this ticket where all these 6 markets they bring come. Make I gather them, make I first build one market. Edo people. Now, wow. Emana ya ta seviedu. Wa we say, ima oni pegbebo. Because ebe no ya vulo meko. Ebe no ya vulo meko. Our royal father have spoken today. And Edo people have spoken today. A lot of Edo people, they were at the palace today. They said those things should be returned back to where it was taken from. Even the federal government supports. It is also there Reddit that Malami is even working for them to return those things back to Nigeria and back to the palace where it was taken from. So how come our own governor now is now working against the decision? Now, wow. A federal government a state governor those property does not belong to Edo State. There was nothing like Edo State when those property were being taken from. It was not taken from anywhere, but rather it was taken from the palace. Ekenana viemi iya wekene emi o mana wi begemi o wekene riri na miemi me ya arie o anya mi no wi ekeni riri na miemi me no wi garie o. As far as the German people, they are ready to return it, let them take it to the palace where it was taken from. At the first place, it was not taken from a Obaseki compound. It was not taken from any chief's compound 124 years ago. It was taken from the palace and the palace it shall return. Rime se wa viedo, wa ya wa wesi. Wa bota, a mwa bane. A mwa bane, eri gwale vineji. If we common human being, we that are not royals, normal human being, if somebody thief your thing, if they return it back to you, and then another person they tell you say, I go hold her for you, I go manage her for you, you go agree, where money wa? Where this guy your money ru? So why are some of the people now supporting the governor to oppress the kingdom? It was not taken from Osadebe Avenue. There was nothing like Osadebe Avenue then. We should speak the truth. We all should speak the truth. Ekenu wena miemi we no we uweri anywhere. If the federal government, they are not supporting that, those artifacts should be brought back to Nigeria and straight to the palace of the Oba of Benin. Then do makpa no do muai. A federal government ima muabane. A state government okanri do muabane. These are the betraying syndrome that we are talking about. Betraying syndrome that happened in 1897 is repeating itself in 2021 again. Why say, una good night, my people, because the thing don't verse me, make I not go match line. As I just the verse here, may I not go match line. Because somebody not fit if your picking thing. Then he can't see me, one can't give your picking. Then your neighbor will come tell you, say, I want hold on for you. You not go agree. Who were this guy, who be neighbor wa? We should all say the truth. Uwaya wa ato, wani doni maniro, wani abere mata, waite mata. Ni abere mata ya ekbegwe. I say, history they repeat itself because now the person where if come long ago, now he still come again. Una good night, my people. I greet you all. Thank you all so much. Happy weekend to you all. Have a nice weekend till we meet again. Una good night.